Yo, if it's one thing I hate, guys, it's a boring ass analysis video or a boring ass crypto video where it's just a bunch of fucking meme coin lovers promoting the most shittiest meme coin because they're being paid to, by the way, promoting the most shittiest meme coins that are all scams, just scamming you guys blind, all right? And that's not what I'm planning to do here, okay? So let's just get right into the video, okay? So only 2 days ago, I opened up this 100x leveraged trade here on Bitcoin, risking $3,000 that could make me $13,000 by the end of this video if all my analysis and my reasonings behind why I'm taking this are right, okay? So first, what I want to show you guys here is on the weekly time frame. We have bullish divergence here on the weekly time frame, right, guys? Price is going down, but the RSI is going up. So bullish divergence here on Bitcoin. Then we go to stocks because when stocks are going down, Bitcoin is going up. And I already drew it out here. Bearish divergence here on stocks, okay? Plus an all-time high, which is really, we can really just go down from here. So we're seeing bearish divergence here on stocks, bullish divergence on Bitcoin, plus here on the daily time frame, we crossed over this 30-day moving average, right? And this is the first time we crossed it over in July since May. We are on this uptrend on Bitcoin, but I want to show you guys something, okay? So back here in March of 2026, we have this kind of double top, right? We have boom, one, boom, two before we go down, right? This is here. And then we have this double top, one, two. Same thing here, right? Bounces off this trend line. Boom, we have one top. And now this is looking like the second top, and we might get it a little lower this time. Here it was higher. This time it could be really anywhere. But the reason why I think it's now is because we are getting a bearish trend in volume here, right? Price is rising. Here I drew it out too. Price is rising while volume is falling, which is really, really bearish because that just means there's no buys here. There's nobody that's buying. And guys, there's really only one thing that can change my opinion on this trade here that can really, and I'm gonna get more into the U.S. dollar outperforming the forex markets in a little bit. But first, I want to show you guys. There's really only one reason that can change my opinion on my trade, and it's this here: the federal funds rate on July 29th, right? And if you guys don't know what it is, it measures the interest rate, blah, 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 blah. Pause and read this if you want. But this is really the only one thing that's going to make me short the fuck out of Bitcoin is if on July 29th they raise this by 0.25% or what they usually do. If they do this, I'm going to call my grandma. I'm going to get a hold of her retirement fund and I'm gonna short the fuck out of Bitcoin if this happens. All right, guys. As soon as it happens, I'm calling her up. I'm calling her up. I'm calling my grandma up. I'm calling my grandpa up. I'm taking their funds. All right, and I'm shorting the fuck out of Bitcoin. But it's rare that this will happen. So it's really rare. But that's really one of the only reasons why, and it's because guys, the U.S. dollar has really been outperforming the shit out of the forex markets, right? I want to show you guys something. Um, Here, just look at the Japanese yen, right? Look, we're at an all-time high. Even breaking this high here, the U.S. dollar versus the Japanese yen. Uh, Bullish trend, guys. It's insane. Look at this. Really just outperforming the Japanese yen, right? Even again over here. Um, this is a Malaysian dollar, right? Look at this. Bitcoin is just outperforming the Malaysian dollar here. And yeah, I mean, the US dollar always does this, right? Everything is just shitty compared to US dollar, guys. Everybody knows this. Everybody knows this, right? Even over here. Look at this. Just outperforming, guys. Outperforming everything. The Mexican peso, look at this. Look at this fucking downtrend. So yeah, guys, but when we have these downtrends and this looks like it's ready to bounce up, guys. So yeah, when we have the, even here on the Mexican dollar, you see bullish divergence here. So yeah, guys, even over here versus the US dollar versus the Thai baht, right? We have this trend line that's been forming since 2007, right? I want you guys to look. I already drew it out, but we have these bounces. It bounces every single time it hits this trend line, and I don't just like trading just based off trend lines because I feel like that's kind of stupid. But right, look at this, boom, 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 right? Since 2008, and we get another bounce here. We get another bounce here, and we're rising, 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 right? But I want you guys to see the downtrend in volume here that we're getting. Downtrend in volume. RSI peaking over here at 71. 71, which is a huge sell signal here. We saw what happened when it hit 71 here, right? And not everything can go up forever. So, yeah, long term, I am bullish on this. But short term, you have to know, price can go down here. Price can actually, we've been going up since February. Price can actually go down, and the Thai will start outperforming the U.S. dollar. So U.S. dollar starts doing, excuse me, U.S. dollar will start doing bad, which will cause Bitcoin to start doing good, right? So yeah, guys, this is what I'm seeing right now, and this just looks so fucking bullish. Like we can just really get a pullback here to the top side after we've been going down since the beginning of the year, right? We can really just get a pullback here since August even. And yeah, guys, you can even just see it in volume here too, on the volume, right? Boom. Just a downward trend in volume, being there's really no more sells here. There's going to be a spike in volume, spike in buys, guys. This is what I'm seeing here. You guys can see what you guys want. I'm taking this trade. Look, up 174 now, guys. Yeah, guys, be on the lookout for this federal funds rate, guys. If they hike the interest rate here, guys, be ready to sell your Bitcoin, right? Be ready to short the markets, guys. And yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow my Twitter. Here's my Twitter, guys. I'm going to be changing my profile picture to one of the NFTs I own. Maybe this too. But yeah, guys, I uploaded my trade here. Be sure to go follow me, like, and yeah, I'm out. Peace.